Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA C12 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper, and here click on Change Wallpaper. And now you can either pick one from your own photos, one from on-device wallpapers, or choose the album, the online album, for example Live, and then you can choose the picture that is included here, for example this bike, and then decide if it's for your home screen only or your lock screen by tapping on confirmation mark and then selecting the proper option. And that's it, that would be all. As you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.